Every pregnancy needs utmost care and attention. But certain pregnancies need a little extra attention. An Rh negative mother carrying an Rh positive baby is at increased risk of complications. BSV is at the forefront to ensure safe delivery in every Rh negative pregnancy.
Congratulations on being the part of this World Cup. What was your first reaction when you found out that you are going to New Zealand for the World Cup?
First of all, thank you so much. I think it was quite exciting that moment. And honestly speaking, I was so nervous over there because I couldn't feel myself. This is the first time we played ODI World Cup, and it was our long-awaited dream that comes true. So, however, and after that, I realized that this is a huge responsibility also, that we need to do well in the World Cup. So we need to prepare ourselves as like
the first game that happened against Pakistan. What a thrilling game of cricket and what a thrilling victory. What are your reflections on that game? Because that game more or less sealed the spot for Bangladesh in the World Cup.
I felt goosebumps when I imagined that match actually. Just because of it was that kind of match we need to win for the for a good start in the tournament, even though we need those 2 points because it was very important for us for the point table. And I was injured that time. I was injured in my left hand, so it was very uncomfortable for me to do keeping with that hand, but still I was doing very great. I think so. I don't know about others, but I took 3 catches and 1 stumping, so it was great for me. But I couldn't do well in the batting. I don't know, somehow it wasn't working, and but still I was nervous over there, but I was confident too, just because of Farzana Haq played really well over there, even though the most 2 experienced players, Salma Khatun and Rumana Ahmed, finished it off in a very well style. And in between, I can say the cameo of Ritu Muni, it was brilliant. Just Absolutely. Because of her cameo, I think we got into that match. And after that, Salma and Rumana did wonderful well.
Rumana Ahmed, what a player, has a knack of. So how good is it to have someone, the player of her caliber, and also the others of Fargana and other players, to have those players on your side? How does it feel to have as a captain?
I think if I can talk about Rumana, she's a kind of player you always need to be her in the team, just because of she's a true performer. Like the team needed her when she was always over there as a bowler, as a batter, and as a I think advisor for the team. So it was the moment not the moment against Pakistan she did well, even though you can see those kind of situation when Bangladesh need her, she was there. And I think she's going to be a great role in the team in World Cup also. Even though Farzana Haq, she is in a good touch, she's in a good form, even though I'm very happy about Salma Khatun is back in line, and because she is an outstanding bowler, even though she's contributing herself as a batter also in the team right now. Each and every person is trying to improve their performance and trying to contribute for the team. So it feels really good, and as a captain I think I am very lucky enough because the team is in a good shape and they are in a good touch.
This will be your first ever ODI World Cup. This is the longer format. You have to plan accordingly. How do you think this is an opportunity for you as a team?
We never played such a lot of international ODI matches. So this is going to be a big opportunity for all of us. Even the other girls who were eagerly waiting in the back home, because they knew if we could do well here, so the atmosphere in Bangladesh and will be changed, and the outlook of the cricket will be changed, and it was going to be a great impact of the women cricket in Bangladesh. So this is our big opportunity, I think, and if we could do well here, I think this is going to be a huge changes for the team and for the whole nations. because the other team will show more interest to play against us, so we will get to more play like international matches. This is like kind of experience we always wanted to be here, and I think this is the stage where that we can show our potential, that we are improving and growing side.
Now, speaking about the World Cup, the conditions in New Zealand are totally new to you. You have never played in these conditions before. First challenge for you to get acquainted with the pitches and the situation in the New Zealand before the World Cup.
I think we will get 2 weeks for the preparation here. So we played against 2 warm-up matches against England and Pakistan. So even though we will get 10 to 12 practice sessions, so I think this is enough. And we have seen a lot of men and women cricket here in the television and sometime in the internet. So we don't know about some weather and the condition here. Even though our boys were played here, so we came back here, so they also shared their experience. How was the condition, how was the wicket. So far, even though I think we know the Australian wicket, even though the New Zealand wicket are much similar, so this is not going to so hard for us, because we know our potential and we want to strike on our strength.
Also, you talked about being a captain. That's just the potentially one of the added responsibilities on you, along with the batter and the keeper of the team. So do you think that going into this World Cup, that probably it is the strength of your team, that you are at the helm, you are the captain of the team, that you can guide them and you are aware of the various responsibilities that are on you?
I think captaincy is a extra responsibility. Captaincy, I always felt that, but sometimes I felt like no, my team is in a good touch and in a good shape, and they played really well and they are very confident. So the thing is make me more like reliable, and I'm so relaxing all the time that no, because each and every player do know their roles and what they will need to do in the match and after the match or before the match. So I don't need to take much like tension about them or the team.
Jahanara Alam, Ritu Moni and your remaining pace attack on these kind of wickets, that said that pace is heaven in these kind of wickets. How do you think that is going to create a havoc for the opposition to face these kind of bowlers with a new ball? How do you think that's going to affect the opposition?
Obviously, I think we included one more pacer, like with right-handy Azmim Chamda. She's very good. She's a very good fast bowler. Even though Jahanara Alam is very good in like opening bowling, and with the new ball, she bowled really well. Even though Ritu Moni was doing great in the qualifiers and in the Commonwealth Games also. So we do have a like new face named Trishna with the left-handy. Yes. So. All of the pace bowlers worked very hard for here, because we knew the pace bowling attack will be a great impact for the World Cup. So they have been working on that, even though we do have a good spin side. Absolutely. And also, so let's see, we do have a good bowling unit, and we're working on the batting also. So if we could do well in the both sides, so maybe we can give a lot of team surprises.